Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Students, we are continuing with fourth chapter of statistics in class 11, and today we are going to discuss different types of frequency distribution. As you are seeing in my whiteboard, I have mentioned exclusive, inclusive, open and cumulative frequency series and mid-value series, and let's discuss them one by one. So starting with exclusive series. Exclusive series is that series in which every class interval excludes items corresponding to the upper limit. In this series, the upper limit of one class interval is the lower limit of the next class. It is called exclusive series because frequencies of the upper limit of each class interval is not included in that class. Then comes inclusive series. An inclusive series is that series which includes all groups up to its upper limit. In such series, the upper limit of class interval does not repeat itself as a lower limit of the next class interval. Thus, there is a gap between the upper limit of a class interval and the lower limit of the next class interval. Now comes open-end series. It is that series which lower limit of the first class interval is missing or upper limit of the last class interval is also missing. If such type of a case is there, this means it is open-end series, like below 5, then 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20 and 20 and above. If this type of information is provided to you, this means it is an open-end series case. In some series, the lower class limit of the first class interval and upper limit of the last class interval are missing. Instead, less than or below is specified, more of the lower class limit of the first class interval and more than or above is specified in the place of upper class limit or the last class interval. Such series are open-end series. Next is cumulative frequency series. Cumulative frequency series is that series in which the frequencies are continuously added corresponding to each class interval in the series. Cumulative frequency may be expressed on the basis of upper limit of the class interval. Sometimes cumulative frequency may be expressed on the basis of lower class limit of the class intervals. So this was all about cumulative frequency series, and the last is mid-value series frequency. Mid-value frequency series are those series which we have only mid-values of the class interval and corresponding frequencies. Such series may be converted into simple frequency series using the methods, that is, mutual difference between the mid-values is determined. Then comes difference is obtained is reduced to half, which when deducted from the mid-values gives over lower limit of the class interval. When added to the mid values give to the corresponding upper limit. Then comes how you can convert inclusive series into exclusive series. So first we have to find the difference between the upper and the lower limit. After that, half of the difference is added to the upper limit of a class interval and half subtracted from the lower limit of the class interval. In this way, you can convert inclusive series into exclusive series. But when you are converting frequency series into simple frequency series, CF series may be converted into simple frequency series. It can be done when you are taking cumulative frequency may be expressed on the basis of upper limit of the class interval, and cumulative frequency may be expressed on the basis of lower limit of the classes. So students, basically there are 5 types of frequency distributions. First is exclusive series, then comes inclusive series, then comes open-end series, in which the question will be given in the form of below 5 is the first, and in the last there will be and above. This means last value will be of first series will be missing, and the last value of the last class will be missing. In place of that, you will write below and above. So student, that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.